Food is medicine.
Pebbles Kids Learning.
Eggplant or brinjal is good for the bones. Coconut is good for the brain. Avocado is good for the skin. Carrot is good for estrogen balance. Broccoli is good for the eyes. Grape is good for the lungs. Peach is good for the heart. Mushroom is good for the adrenals. Strawberry is good for pregnancy. Onion is good for the cells. Olive is good for the ovaries. Ginger is good for digestion. Cauliflower is good for the kidneys.
Pebbles Kids Learning.